A number of thank yous are in order. Okay, the tournament is done now. Can everyone please give a hand to the folks here at Magical who Jamie right here, the guy with the glasses on, that's all. Take that. The man deserves a round of applause. We appreciate it, Jamie. Come here for many, many years to come. On top of that, guys, another hand to all the people. So you might not know this, but me and Chet are officially our names are the tournament, but we couldn't do it with about 10 or 12 people who help us all the way through. All the girls who help. Bailey, all you guys, please give a hand to the people who help put this on. We cannot do it without those people. With all that, what we're going to do is we're going to start giving out trophies. We're going to start with 4th place. Okay, folks? From Kiel, Wisconsin. Jeff Bernard! Let's take a picture. 1 second. Not cheesy enough. In addition to that, Jeff gets $300 for being awesome.
Yeah, buddy!
Oh, and by the way, hey Jeff, you're not done yet. You think, oh my God, what am I going to do with this trophy and $300? I can't even spin on it. One more thing. You also get a Dan Marino beer.
Yeah!
Here you go, sir. I recommend you to drink that with good friends. There you go. Get a hand for Jeff Bernard. All right, folks. Coming in at number 3 is Mr. John Jones, a.k.a. Du Bois.
Adam Du Bois!
I'm just taking video. There we go. But John doesn't get away so easily either. Now, John, you come all the way from Louisville. Came all the way from Louisville. Did you drive here? Oh, shit. Awesome. And came all the way from Louisville. And on top of that, his check was $600. To get the Dan Marino beer. All right, folks. Thanks a lot, John. Okay, we're up for our number 2 man. Man needs his own introduction. Kyle Miller, a.k.a. Regulator. Folks who don't know, this is his 2nd year coming in second. He's been playing great here for a few years. He's really good at one. In case it makes you feel better, I got 2 things for you. 2 things. Yeah. So I talked to Kyle, and a few folks thought that he might have thrown the last game attention, and I think I know why. Because remember, 2nd place gets. When you got a really nice snug pair of isotopes. Now, Kyle told me he doesn't need the check because he's got nice stars, but just in case, Kyle, here you go, man. 1,400. Okay, folks, here we go. First place, we have never, in the history of the tournament, had a repeat champion in back-to-back years. For the first time ever, we finally do have one. It's my brother, Chad Holtzbach. Championship trophy. Picture. Yes. I want to thank you. People want to speak. There's no speech. I just want to thank everybody for coming. This event would not be possible without all of you.
Yeah.
It is fantastic. I was blessed by the Tecmo gods today, and I will not forget it. And one last thing, can we give this man a shower? With Dan Marino beer, circa 1995. We really appreciate that you came out and spent your day with us. The basketball team did a great job. Make sure to tip them really